Time for the final Olympic design, the medals. An Olympic medal is one of three types. It's either a gold, silver, or bronze medal for first, second, and third place in an Olympic event. The medals in the Olympics represent the highest level of athletic achievement an athlete can receive. It is the highest recognition you can earn as an athlete. Here are the designs for the 2002 Olympic medals. There's the front and back. The medal is double-sided. On one side, the front, technically, you have an athlete standing on the Olympic rings, and they burst from the flames while carrying the torch, right? They've lit the fire within themselves, and they've made it through their trials. Again, it's our theme, right? And it's been etched into the medal. On the back of the medal, it has Nike, the Greek goddess of victory. They hold a small victory leaf symbolizing the olive wreaths that were presented to winners of the ancient Olympic Games. Within Nike's embrace is an illustration of the event for which the medal represented. So that tiny little piece where the arrow is, it would have a hockey player, or it would have a skier, or it would have the bobsled image. So not only did it say, short track speed skating, but it would have a speed skater inside the curve of Nike's arm. On top, it has the Roman numerals XIX representing 19 because these are the 19th Winter Games. The overall shape was not smooth. They weren't all perfectly symmetrical, and that was done on purpose. The texture of the medals was designed to look like a stone that had been smoothed in one of Utah's rivers and streams. It was supposed to look like it had been eroded over time. Each medal then had a slightly different design because no two rocks are the same when they come out of the river. So none of the 2002 Olympics are identical, as you can see here. And then we talk about the ribbon design that would hold the medal. So side one is designed to resemble the shape of the 2002 logo, very similar to what we saw on the uniforms, representative of the Native American art styles. On side two, it said Salt Lake 2002, Light the Fire Within, the theme of the Winter Games. And the color of the ribbon matches the bottom section of the logo, that purplish bluish color that harkened back to our Utah mountains. Fun facts, the 2002 Olympic gold and silver medals weighed 567 grams, 20 ounces, making them the heaviest Olympic medals ever created. These were the first times that Olympic history where the medals varied for each sport. There were 16 different designs. 100% of the metal alloys used to construct the medals were mined and donated from the Kennecott copper mine in the Oquirrh Mountains that border the west side of the Salt Lake Valley. The athletes were literally wearing a part of Utah. And the jewelry designer was O.C. Tanner, a Utah jewelry company who volunteered to manufacture the medals for free. Other medal designs from other Olympics, you're welcome to Google that again, like we've been doing up to this point in this project, to design what you think the medals should look like for the future Winter Olympics held in Utah. If you click here in the lesson on Canvas, you'll see a full archive of all past Olympic medals. Now it's your turn. We're going to watch a short video that goes through the process, the making of the Olympics. While we're watching that, you should be designing your own medals and finishing the packet. It is due at the end of this class period. So you need a drawing for the front and the back of the medal. You need to explain how it reflects your game's theme. It needs to explain how it reflects the original origin of the games in ancient Greece, and how does it reflect the history, culture, or geography of Utah.